ankle joint works in partnership with the foot to help transfer energy from the lower leg into the foot. It also helps us absorb shock. That's what a lot of our arches do. We have three arches. We have the inner, the outer, and the transverse arch. And we have the heel, the calcaneus, which gives us support from behind the shin bones. So it's kind of like a landing pad. These arches, these bones, long bones, short bones, the ankles, the ligaments, the tendons, there's so much happening in the feet that when we don't utilize the feet and the ankle often, we start to lose mobility and we start to lose the health and the well being of the base of the body. So I'm going to get us to prepare to work with this idea of creating awareness for the foot and the ankle. So go ahead and join me. Feel free to walk around your space. You want to feel first and foremost safe and like you have enough space to move today. And then just go ahead and prop up the feet. Just play with giving them a little bit of mobility. And notice what this can do for the rest of your body. So if the feet and the ankle are not really in a healthy state, you're going to sense a lot of rigidness and pressure in the lower compartment of the body, which starts to compromise the knee joints, the hip joints, into pelvis, up through core. And as you can imagine, the whole body can feel compromised. So today we want to focus on the foot, the ankle, its usage, and how when we dance through class, we can be more mindful and more conscious about our movement.